Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. I will be doing a nighttime clean with me, and basically I'm just showing you guys how everything is looking in my family room and my kitchen. Those are the areas that I will be tackling, being that we went grocery shopping earlier and the kids were playing around, so I just wanted to get the place a little bit tidy before we went to bed that night. But before I get more into this video, it is a collab and I'll let her go ahead and tell you who she is.
Guys, and welcome to my channel, Mama Makes It Happen.
My name is Courtney, and on my channel you can find lots of cleaning motivation, lots of what's for dinners every week, monthly grocery hauls for a large family of 8, and lots of inspiration. If this is something you like, I hope you consider subscribing and checking me out to get done watching this beautiful mama's channel. Hope to see you soon.
So if you are new to my channel, my name is Natasha. I'm a mom of 4 and a wife. And here on my channel, I basically do cleaning motivation. You'll get motherhood, lifestyle, organization, decor. You have all those things here. So if you're over from Courtney's channel, or if you're just new in general, welcome. And I would love for you guys to subscribe and stick around. And remember, once you finish looking at my video, you definitely go over there and check out Courtney. She is awesome. And let her know that I sent you guys over in the comments. And right now what I'm doing is I'm just going to go ahead and get under here a little organized. I did do a cabinet organization some time ago. I will link the video above if you guys want to see that, but I just wanted to go ahead and get it refreshened again. So I'm just going ahead and wiping out the bins and getting everything in order. And I'm not going to be doing too much talking, being that this is a nighttime clean with me, relaxing, and I want you guys to really enjoy the music. But definitely leave me any comments below. Let me know if you're new, and also let me know what you guys are doing while you're watching this.
I don't wanna push you farther away, no, I don't wanna play no games. I just wanna call, see if we're okay, babe. All I wanna ask you is, are you down for love? Are you up for us? I wanna be together, babe, I want your love. I'll be the one you trust. You're all that matters.
This little section on my counter always seems to be a catch-all, especially for my husband's stuff. So right now I'm just picking those things up, and I am using the Method Grapefruit scent, and also I'll be using my soft scrub because when I was touching the countertops, I did feel like there was some type of residue on there, and I wanted to go ahead and wipe that off.
I'm not mad at all. We both tried and tasted fall. Can't hold our love against the wall. No. Every inch of me is hurting, and I just wanna leave it all. won't feel the pain alone. No. Every inch of me is hurting and I just wanna leave it all behind. Yeah, I'm breaking up with you tonight. Yeah, you know it's hard to say. Yeah, you know we're not okay. I can see it in your face. We became a lonely place. Yeah, goodbye so long, my dear love. Love is forgotten, so I'm moving on. Goodbye so long, my dear friend. We did our best until the very end. Goodbye so long, my dear love. My dear love, love is forgotten, so I had to move on. So long, my dear friend. Yeah, yeah. We did our best until the very end. But goodbye. So long, my dear love.
I want to really thank my style family for you guys being here, my subscribers, and I hope you guys genuinely get something from watching my videos and that I inspire you or motivate you in some way to get some things done, and I really appreciate you guys.
I know your body, I know your heart. Your eyes told me from the start, but then you fall back. Giving me signs that I've seen before. Yeah, it's cute, but honey, I want more. Don't waste no more time. No, no. There's no use playing hard to get. I figured you out, but you don't know it yet. So take off your mask. Yeah. Love is just around the corner, babe. To do what we want, I wanna get in shape with you all night. All night. Imagine us there. Imagine us there. Imagine us there. All night. There's something that I need from you. I don't want you to have anyone. And if you don't want me, there's something wrong with them, right? Maybe I got problems that I don't tell anyone. Have I lost my perception? Feel like I wanna do something wrong now. Packing all your belongings. Say you wanna take some time, but if you say we'll meet again, why'd you have to take everything now? Baby, are you lying? Have you met someone? Tell me now. I better start crying, make them feel bad before we leave town. 10, 9, counting down, putting on a smile. 8, 7, 6, 5. You say goodbye, lock the door for 3, 2, 1, and then I lose it. I'm delusional, delusional, you say, and then I lose it. I'm delusional, delusional, you say. Why hasn't he called me back? It's been 3 days. Stalking his Instagram, saying he's in a phase. So now you're telling everyone that we're drifting apart. Now I know that it was you who made me feel so messed up. Hanging out with new females, cute, but are they even real, man? Jealousy, I think it's jealousy, but hell with it, still a good melody. Or maybe I got problems that I don't tell anyone. Have I lost my perception? Feel like I wanna do something wrong now. 10, 9, counting down, putting on a smile. 8, 7, 6, 5. You say goodbye, lock the door for 3, 2, 1, and then I lose it. I'm delusional, delusional, you say, and then I lose it. Yeah, I'm delusional, delusional, you say, and then I lose it. I'm delusional, delusional, you say, and then I lose it. Delusional, delusional. I've been thinking about you. I'm waiting for it all to come true. I'm longing to hear you say, you know that I miss us. I wanna be the one that you trust, 'cause you have stole my heart away. There can't be no other. Baby, I don't even bother. Whatever they have to say. My heart's already chose you. It's so scary thinking I can lose you, that you will turn and walk away. Maybe I win, maybe I lose, but nevertheless I'm in love with you. So what can I do? What can I do? Every day is getting harder. I'm begging you to choose me. So come and take my breath away. Come and take my breath away. Every day.
Hey guys, so I'm finished cleaning. I don't want to be too loud. It's like 11:27 at night. I'm basically gonna go ahead and plug one of these in over here. It's a high power frequency conversion insect repellent. This was sent to me to try out. It's a pack of 6, and these are all the bugs it gets rid of. And all you have to do is open it up and you plug it in. So I'm going to just plug it in over here, and hopefully this will help eliminate the sugar ants that I've been seeing around here. So we'll see if this works. I'll let you guys know. I'll give you an update when you're doing something in the kitchen. I'll give you an update and let you know. So as you can see, it's plugged in and it turned purple. So maybe that's what's used to keep them away. I'll show you closer. See, it has that purplish blue color. So we'll see how it goes, and I'll give you guys an update on that.
Take my breath away. Come and take my breath away. It's getting harder. I'm begging you to choose me. I never thought I'd feel this way. Feel this way. Never thought I'd feel this way. Feel this way. Every day it's getting harder. I'm begging you to choose me. So come and take my breath away. Come and take my breath away. Come and take my breath.
Remember, when you guys finish my video, to head over to Courtney's channel, Mama Makes It Happen. I have her link listed below. Check her out and let her know that I sent you guys over. And again, I hope you guys enjoyed this after dark clean with me. Sorry about the lighting, but as you can see, it was late at night, and of course we have a balloon up there. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video.